Here's the app called NightGrace Sleep and Podcast. So, place of peace, faith, and rest. NightGrace, your journey to restful sleep begins here. Sleep, relax, meditate podcast. Calm Sleep Meditations podcast for the soul. Bible quiz. Fall asleep with soothing sounds and guided meditations. So here you have it. Find peace before you sleep. NightGrace is a faith-inspired sleep app that helps you unwind, reflect, and rest deeply. Through peaceful stories, meditation, and gentle music, you'll end each day in calm and grace. Whether you need quiet sounds, bedtime podcasts, or reflection on scripture, NightGrace guides your heart and mind toward restful sleep. Sleep plan and popular sounds, meditation and podcast, dream interpretation, Bible reading for night, sleep calendar and tracker. So here you just have it like that. So just double click to install it. And then you can just open it up. So this is kind of... So overall, what I can say, this app literally has tons of ads, so almost unusable. So yeah.